Let me quickly talk about program management Ikigai, or the Ikigai which we have set up for the program management office at Origo. Ikigai, if this word is new for you, or if you're hearing for the first time, Ikigai means a reason for being. It's a Japanese word. So our Ikigai is delivery excellence, process excellence, operational excellence, lead the transformations, be the change agent. We assure, inform, standardize, govern and support all the initiatives and programs and deliverables. And the core Ikigai is make customers happy. So what is customer delight and what is the importance of customer delight? So if you see the customer delight life cycle, generally a customer is attracted, gets converted, deal is closed, and then comes the delight phase, which is the most crucial one. According to stats, it costs 7 times more to attract a new customer than to retain them. So it is always crucial to delight your customers. But why? What does that mean to delight a customer? We have to be in customer shoes to solve their problems. We have to be timely. We have to be helpful. We need to proactively understand what they need to make their business successful. We need to listen to their feedbacks and act. We need to be thinking about the unexpected in a way by which we can solve their problems. That means think of something which is unexpected, which you can't predict, and you can solve that problem. So that is what is customer delight, and it's a subjective topic. So how do we use agility to delight customer? Customer delight, being agile, and eventually achieving business agility, all these things go hand in hand. And that's why agility, by using agile ways of working, we thrive by quickly responding to market changes or customer asks and emerging opportunities or by providing innovative business solutions and with the shortest go-to-market timelines without losing customer focus. So being agile is being smart, fast and adaptive, creating and leading change, being customer. So how do we do that at Origo? How do we foster agility? So we have created successful peers who have adopted agile ways of working. We have established autonomous, self-managed program teams comprising of great minds of people who work iteratively and incrementally, and they deliver software frequently. We have defined release trains, cadence or vehicle. We constantly work towards improving quality and efficiency of software and delivery for improved customer delight experience using effective agile engineering practices. We are always technology focused to solve customer problems through continuous. Back, we started Scrum at scale adoption for extended cross-BU collaboration and emphasize on building a trust across the business units for effective collaboration with PS and so on. Scrum at scale emphasizes on value-driven culture with empirical process control and obviously the Scrum values. So the pillars of empirical process control are transparency, inspection and adaptation. And these pillars are actualized by the Scrum values of openness, courage, focus, respect and commitment. As part of Scrum at Scale journey, we have created multiple customer feedback loops through team level or leadership level retrospections, cross-BU initiatives like having Scrum of. So we proactively adapt and change courses according to customer feedbacks. We shifted from output to outcome with a product mindset, and we evaluate these using right executive and business metrics. We shifted our focus from customer satisfaction to customer delight, which is more explicit. So rather an explicit goal is being set as compared to implicit one, which was the case earlier. We adopted continuous improvement lean methodologies, which showcased empirical benefits as part of Scrum at Scale. We made customer delight as a new dimension of done. So this is how we fostered agility for achieving customer delight here at Origo. What is the path or transformation journey ahead? As a program management lead, I work with leaders, teams and functions to drive multiple initiatives and make them successful to deliver business objectives and key results or OKRs. And that is why we exist, or that is our Ikigai. So we have to thrive with business agility at Origo by increasing expertise and adoption around key competencies, which are lean portfolio management, agile product delivery, organizational agility, team and technical agility, lean agile leadership, continuous learning culture, enterprise solution delivery, with customer delight and customer centricity being the core focus areas, with faster go-to-market strategies being our theme or core focus. This is what I wanted to talk about quickly today, and if you want to discuss more around this, feel free to ping me or reach out to me. Thanks for listening.